In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign on Podia. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, automated sequence that welcomes your audience, delivers value, and drives action. Start on the Podia dashboard. From here, head to the email section, then open campaigns. This is where your automated sequences live. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Next, set your entrance conditions. These are the rules that add people to your campaign. For example, when someone signs up for a product or receives a specific tag, choose the trigger that best matches your strategy so subscribers enter the right sequence at the right time. Now, configure exit conditions. These stop the campaign for people who complete an important action, like purchasing a product. This helps prevent over-emailing and keeps your messaging relevant. If you want people who already meet your entrance conditions to join immediately, check the option to add existing subscribers who qualify. That's helpful when you're introducing a new campaign to a segment you already have. With the campaign shell set up, create your first email. Click into the first email in the sequence. It's commonly set to send immediately, but you can adjust the timing. Set the delay to define when this email should go out after the trigger, right away in a few hours, or after several days, depending on your goals. Write a concise, compelling subject line and add preview text to reinforce your message. Then build your content in the editor. You can start from scratch, use a template, or pull in a previous email if you want consistency. Add text, images, videos, and buttons as needed. Keep your branding consistent, use clear headers, and add one primary call to action so readers know what to do next. When you're happy with it, click Done to save and return to the sequence. Next, add more emails to complete your campaign. Click the option to create a new email and repeat the process. Set a delay. Write the subject and preview text, and build the content. Stagger your timing thoughtfully so subscribers have space to engage between messages. When all of your emails are ready, go back to the main campaign setup screen, review your entrance and exit conditions, skim your email lineup, and confirm everything looks right. When you're confident, click Run at the top of the page to activate your campaign. That's it. Your Podia email campaign is live and ready to nurture your audience automatically.